What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Fart on These coming back at you with another video. Today I got something a little different. Instead of playing games, I'm gonna be taking. Well, there's gonna be returning factors, obviously. I'm gonna be taking a hit, of course, but this time we're doing an unboxing. I got a Prismatic Evolutions box right here. Every time we don't get like a full art or like an EX or something, I'm gonna take a hit. So we got 9 packs, so I mean, I really hope we don't have to take 9 hits because that means we would have been getting nothing, and that'd be ass. But yeah, we get 9 packs. It comes with like 65 sleeves, a holding box. It's just like a whole fucking like set just to get you started on playing. I don't play, but I just wanted the packs. Hopefully we can get something fire. Honestly, this is the first box I've opened, so I don't really know what goes for a lot. I can try and look it up while if I think something's good, I'll look it up. But yeah, with that being said, I mean, let's just hop in and get this started. Yeah, definitely this is the first box I've done. Hopefully we get some gas. I know there's like a fire ass Umbreon that goes for a lot. That's what that looks like. This is a player's guide. I don't need that right now though. We want to get into the meat of the fucking box. So here we go. There's everything. Start, we got 2 coins. Just looks like fire and like, I don't know, poison maybe. We got all our energies. And there's the sleeves. Those are nice. Here, let me take them out of the, let me take one out. Oh yeah, what the gas. Yep, W. So, got those out ready to go in case some fire comes out of here. Alrighty, we got the dice. And then, looks like right here we got a couple dividers and a promo card. That just comes with every box. So yeah, there's the dividers. Those are really cool looking. Oh man, the rainbow effect. Pokemon code. I don't play this version of any Pokemon game, so anyone that plays, that code is yours. And then boom, we're gonna. This won't go for much because it comes with every box, but there's the promo card that comes with it. Fucking sick as hell. Boom. Sleeve that one up, even though it's not worth much, just because it's nice. Boom. Sleeved up. Alrighty. And then this is what this is what we've come here for. 9 prismatic evolutions. Hell yeah. Let's see, let's count them. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Yep. Alright, well, I think I'm just gonna shuffle them. Get right into it. Now, I'm actually not sure what the trick is on these. Like the card trick for getting the good card in the back. I believe it's 1 card from the back. Energy. Furlope. Earthen Vessel. Lacey. Executor. Will-O-Wisp. Dreepy. Boom. Just a hollow. Kind of cool looking though. Probably not worth much, but I'll sleeve that one. It's alright. Well, since it was just a hollow, you know what that means. Hit incoming. Let me get this code up for people that play real quick. I'm going to put these up every time because I'm not going to use them. Where is my bone? Boom. Let's get this hit on. Whew. That was more like 2 hits, but fuck. We got plenty of flour and plenty of packs. Alright. Pack 2. Damn. That hit messed me up, bruh. Is that code? Ready. Let's get into it. Energy, Applin, Goldine, Hoot Hoot, Amaris, hey, Regigigas, Lacey, Walla, Carmine, boom, mids. We did get 3 like hollows, which is still a hit, unfortunately, but this one has like a cool texture on it. It's pretty cool. Just leave that one up. Don't really care about those other hollows. Boom. Carmine sleeved up. Boom. Oh, time for hit number 2. Fuck. We'll see some gas in this next pack, I feel it. Yeah. Those hits are harsh as hell right now. But let's get it. Some paper towels. Fucking blow my nose. Shit's fucking me up. Pack 3. Code. Energy. Let Leo. Dark Cloak. I don't know how to say that. Fuck all that. Professor's Research. Pyroar. Buddy Buddy Poffin. Seeking. Black Belt's Training. Oh. Dark Cloak again, but hollow this time. And Ursula. Damn. Nothing again. Shit. Another hit, loading up. I'll have to repack this bowl after the next one. We're running low. Oh. Pack 4. Come on, where's the heat at? Damn. Whew. These hits are killing. Let's get like a EX or something, bro. Please. Black Energy, Cottony, Litleo, Dark Loke, Duran Lowdown, Slow King, Binding Mochi, Trainer, Applin, Dunsparce. Boom! Holy gas! Umbreon EX. Hey. I don't know how much that goes for, but that is fi. That can go straight in a sleeve. Boom. Fi Town, no hit. Let's go. Bang. Just get straight into another pack. That is wonderful. Holy dub. Alright. So pack 4 was fi. And we can continue the streak in pack 6. Code. One from the back. Energy. Hippo down. Trainer. Lopunny. Trainer. Trainer. Oh, that's a cool looking card. Screamtail Ancient. Trainer. Hollow Rylu. Sea King. Sylveon. Damn. Not continuing the streak, but oh well. That just means we get another hit. We got 4 more packs to go. That was just about halfway right there. We got one good card. Tough. And it's not even a full art, so I don't imagine it goes for much. But you never know. It might go for like 20 bucks or something, which I wouldn't be mad about. Just put some ash on the table. Repacking the bowl for this next pack. Some Grape Canyon Zittles. Sativa. A little upper for the packs. Alrighty. Took my hit. I think. I hope I did. I honestly don't remember. I'll take a big hit next time. Just in case I didn't. Code. Yep, energy to the front. Oh. Energy, Dark Loke, Duran Load, Trainer, Hippo down, Trainer, Seeking, Regigigas, Trainer, Trainer. Ooh, boom, Iron Hands EX. That's cool looking. Future. W. No hit this pack. Sure, it probably only goes for a couple bucks, but it's cool. So fuck it. Oh. W. Next pack. Code. Energy. Lavatar. Trainer. Execute. Sneasel. Pyro Roar. Trainer, Seeking, Leafeon, Hoot Hoot, Archlodon. Tough. It is now hit season. W. So what's that? Hit number 6? Yeah, I think we only pulled 2 EXs. Fuck. Fuck. Took a bigger hit because I wasn't sure um how big of the hit I took last time was, and whether I even took one or not, I don't know. So let's just get into this next pack. Energy, Dusclops, Dunsparce, Houndour, Applin, Slowking, Trainer, Pyroar, Slowpoke, Lavatar. Boom! Flareon EX. Hey! Bang. See if I can find the prices of these EXs at the end. Boom. W. No hit. Last pack. Fingers crossed. Can we get something fire? Last code. Energy. Oops. Trainer. Dusclops. Dunsparce. Houndour. Trainer. Screamtail. Trainer. Eevee. Groudon. Glaceon. Boom. Damn. Ended on a stinker. Alrighty. Oh, let's get our last hit in. Boom. So, unfortunately, we only got 3 EXs. We got Iron Hands, Umbreon, oh shit, and Flareon. Boom. I don't know how much any of these go for. Let's see if we can find out. Boom, boom. I should take one more hit. I don't know. Yeah, one more hit. One more hit. Boom. One more hit. No. Let's see if we can find out how expensive some of these are. So let's do Iron and EX. Boom. What's this one? Looking at price charter, I think. Ungraded sells for like $2. Yeah, not great. PSA 10 only goes for $20. Let's do Flareon. Let's see which one it comes up. Flareon EX, Prismatic Evolutions, facts. Goes for $11. Damn. And then Umbreon EX. No. Yeah. Not the goated one. If I got this one, I would have shit my pants. This is like the best one in the fucking set. Yeah, no, this one's also like $10. Damn. Well, they're still pretty cool. Well, thank you guys for tuning in. If y'all enjoyed this, let me know. I'd love to do another box or something. So leave a like, comment, let me know, subscribe. I can do a goodbye hit real quick too. Alrighty. With that being said, again, let me know if y'all want to see more of this. I hope y'all enjoyed. Have a great one. Peace.